Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to break down exactly how you scale this clothing brand to making $40,000. As you guys can see, in the last 30 days we made around $40,000. So without further ado, let's just get started with the video. But before we start, if you guys don't know who I am, I'm Abdullah, one of the co-founders of Flows Marketing. We're able to scale multiple clothing brands from 5 figures to 4 figures to 6 figures and so on. So here are some of the results that we have generated for our clients. As you guys can see right here, we made this client around $152,000 in a day. Then right here, as you can see, $252,000 in 5 days for this client right here. And as you can see, this client, before he started working, they were working at another agency and they spent around $8,000 to make back $9,000 with a 1x ROAS. But as soon as they hopped on that ship, they spent $4,000 to make back $19,000 with literally the same product, same content, everything, just different stuff. So 4.5x, as you can see right here. So right here, $66,000 in 20 days. And more numbers. How we scale this clothing brand to 40k months. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and talk about is products. Like literally, what I want you guys to know is the product is literally one of the most important part of a clothing brand, because that's what you're selling. Like, you exchange value for money, and the value that you're giving that people, the reason why they're giving you money is for that product. So you need to make sure that that product is 100% good. That's step one of the puzzle. Have a winning product. Alright guys, so here's an example of a good winning product right here. As you guys can see, Slept-On is one of our brands that we're working with. It's a $200 product, by the way, but people are buying because it's a good looking product. Like, what I want you guys to know is, no matter how high you raise your prices, as long as it's a good product that people need and there's a good meaning behind it, people are gonna buy it. As long as you have the good marketing, it's a good product right here. This product alone, we made more than 6 figures with it. Like, it's just as simple as sweatpants, but trust me, it was printing like crazy. Here are some examples of bad products. As you guys can see right here, this product is shit as fuck. This also is shit as fuck. The next thing we're gonna go ahead and talk about is creative / content. Like, what I want you guys to know is, no matter how good your product is, if your creatives are bad, you won't convert. Like, what I want you guys to know is, your creatives are how you showcase that brand. Like, you don't have a real life store. People see that shit through their phone, so you need to make sure that the products and creatives are 100% on point. Like, that's 60% of the puzzle, or 50%. After that, it's marketing. So what I want you guys to do is go ahead and look at what others are doing, what others in the space that you look up to are doing, then you try to replicate the same stuff that they're doing, but you do it better. Like, it's that fucking easy. Just find 3 brands that you fuck with, really like, and you 100% sure that they're making sales. They're not just getting views and no sales. After you have gotten that 3 brands, what I want you guys to do is go ahead and look at the ad library and look at what they're doing and what's performing for them. Then you try to replicate it for your own, and also look at their organic content, look at what's getting the most amount of views, and you try to do the same for your brand, because if it has worked for them, why not you? Also, here are some good creatives or content that does well. First of all, what you guys to do is go to the Meta Ads library, search facebook.com/ad library, then you go there, you look at the, I told you 3 brands that you like here, and you're 100% sure they're running ads. Go there, you search their name to see all of the ads that they're running there. And what I want you to do is, and just filter it by the date. Let's say it's around August right now, so what you want to do is look at ads that have been running for a while. Then that's probably the winning creatives, because what have been running for a while, that means it's probably performing, because they wouldn't have been spending money if it wasn't performing for a long time. After you have that, then Flatlays is a good example. This is a good example right here. This is a good example of a good flat lay, and this is a bad flat lay. Good flat lay, good flat lay, bad flat lay right here. So graphic designs, let me show you guys some good graphic designs right here. So you can see this really well, simple, just straight to the point. The product is the main focus right here. Then product focus videos. Product focus videos are just type of videos that the product is the main focus. Like, the main focus of the video is to show the product. Alright, so after you have a good product, good creative, just like our client did, what you want to do next is go ahead and get traffic. Traffic just means getting eyes to that product and eyes to that creatives. Like, what I want you guys to know is, no matter how good your product is or how good your creatives are, if people are not seeing it, it's fucking useless. So you need to get eyes to that product and that creatives. And how do you do that? And that's through meta ads, shop ads, organic traction. First of all, you need to start running meta ads. If you guys don't know what meta ads is, I'll show you everything. Then shop ads, and you guys are probably sleeping on shop ads, but trust me, you're sleeping on hella bread. spread and organic traction. That's just by posting through Instagram, TikTok, and just keep posting. The more views you get, the more money you make, as long as you know how to record the content. That's probably the best and free way to get sales, but the best way to get consistent sales is through Meta ads and Shop ads. Meta ads, to be specific with you guys. So I just hopped on the ad account right here, and as you guys can see, we made around $18,000 through Meta ads with a 3.8x ROAS, which is decent and really good, because the break-even ROAS for this client was around 1.3 to 1.4, so 3x is really good for this client. It's like an average clothing brand having a 4x ROAS. So as you can see right here, these are the ads that we were running. So we ran around 3 campaigns or 4 campaigns. First of all, we had a broad campaign where the targeting was just broad. We were just running. Then interest targeting. If you guys are sleeping on interest targeting, I don't know what you guys are doing. Like, everyone says interest targeting is dead, but that's fucking bullshit, because with this client alone we made around $8,000 or $11,000 through interest targeting alone. Like, literally all you have to do is just keep testing different interests until you find the right one that works. You keep testing creatives in the right interest that works, then just keep adding interest tags before one fatigue. The team that we were running was lookalike audience. After that, we also ran a retargeting campaign, but that didn't really go that well. It just depends on brand to brand, you know. Alright, so after we ran Meta ads, the next thing that we ran was Shop ads. Let me go ahead and show you guys how Shop ads work. So as you guys can see, we made around $13,000 through Shop ads alone. Like I told you, you guys are really sleeping on Shop ads, because Shop ads really be going crazy, like so fucking crazy. As you guys can see, we spent around $3,000 to make back around $13,000. You guys are literally sleeping on Shop ads, because trust me, Shop ads be going crazy, like so crazy, as long as you have a good brand. And also, one thing I've noticed with Shop ads is that it goes crazy with like lower ticket products, $30 products, $40 products. But trust me, as long as you have a good product, it's gonna go crazy and you know how to do it. Next thing we're gonna go ahead and talk about is organic traction. Just make sure you're posting at least 3 videos a day. This client was posting around 10 videos a day, 10 trial reels a day. Then after that, we're gonna go ahead and talk about website. First of all, you have a good product. Second, you have good creatives. Third, you're getting traffic. Alright, so if you're getting traffic, you need to direct that traffic into somewhere, and that's through the website. You're gonna direct that traffic to the website. That's where people are gonna buy that product. Traffic converts to sales. Like, it's that fucking easy. Alright, so first of all, you need to have a good converting website, and that's so self-explanatory. Like, it's nothing hard. But luckily for our clients, like, we have a full in-house website development team that does all of the website for us. Like, we've literally spent more than $4,000 on teams alone for our clients, so you know you're getting the best website when you're working with us. So good website, really fast website. You need to make sure that that website is really fast. No music, none of that rap stuff, none of that stuff, please. Just a white website or a black website. Simplicity is key. Then good product photos. Like, that's where people are gonna see the product well, how it fits, everything. So you need to make sure that everything is on point. And also, one thing I forgot to talk about is, that's pretty all for this video. If you guys want to work with me on to scale your brand, just hit me up on Instagram. As you can see, $40,000 for this brand in the last 30 days. If you guys want the same results or better, just hit me up on Instagram. See you on the other side. Peace.